Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Initial Solution. Today in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to create a business page on LinkedIn. So for this you have to go first on your LinkedIn account, then go for this work icon here for business. Just click on drop down option and scroll down a little bit, and again you can see create a company page. So click on this and just you have to go for company, and now you have to type your company name here or organization's name. So I will select this one, and you can see your URL here as my uh, company name, Initial Solution. After that, if you have a website, then you can keep it here, or otherwise just keep it, and you have to now the type here your industry name. So I'll type here technology. Okay, information on internet here like this, and you can uh, choose your organization size. So I'll choose 0 to 1 employee. You can choose 2 to 10 or 11 to 50 employees, whatever. And then I'll choose just 0 to 1 employees. Then you can select your organization type, which is for my self-employed. After that, you can choose your add your logo from your desktop. Okay, I'll choose my logo from here, which is Initial Solutions logo. Then you can type your tagline here. So I'll type, we guide students. Okay, just after that go for this. You have to just check it and go for create page. Okay, wait for a second. So you can see your page has been created. Then you have to just fill all of these things. Just go for next, and you have to just fill all these things. Okay, I'll just go for this one and select a button, or you can just choose select contact us, learn more, register, sign up, or whatever you want. Just I'll choose this contact us, and you have to just go for this URL, or otherwise just go for save. Oh, it's you need to just go for this URL. So I'll type here Initial Solution. Just make a URL and then just go. So you have to just type your URL here and just go for save. So I'll just discard it, and so that's it. This is how you can uh, create your LinkedIn business page. So that's it for today. Hope this video helped you guys. If it did, then please like, comment, and share. Subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to hit the bell icon for more videos. Thank you.
This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing, and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.